Start with a line. Begin to draw a square to form the base of the castle. At the top of the square, add a line. Begin to add half a square. This will start the roof of the castle. Almost close the square and continue adding these partial squares, as many as you would like, until you get to the end of the castle base. Add a door using any shape you would like. Add details to your door. Start with a straight line. Add a small circle to the top. Draw a line from the circle. Add a slight letter C, shape or curve, at the end. Draw another straight line to close the bottom of a flag. At the top right corner, draw a small triangle. Add another flag using the same steps as before. Windows can be added to your castle by drawing a square. Add lines to form the window panes. You can add more details, like lines or circles, for extra texture on the walls.